Okay. So what is this graph? Graph will is simply what is a graph. Here you can see in a PPT also. Okay. So global regular expression printer. Okay. To search for a specific text and display lines containing the text. Okay. So it's like what it is and all. Very simple. I have a file. I have a file. In the file, I want to search a particular lines which contains a particular pattern. If pattern matches, display those lines. If pattern not matches, don't display the lines. Right? So if pattern matches, display the line. If pattern is not matches, it's okay. So unmatched patterns, leave it. Matched patterns, display. So before going to that one, okay. Graph we can do it directly. Okay, so unpattern matches we can leave it. Okay, so that is grab command. Okay, not only that one, so in outputs also we can search for a patterns also in output. So you got a some ls spice hyphen l. After that one you want to search for a one line particular line, you can also see that one also. Okay, so the whatever it is inside a file or in a certain output, you want to display a particular line based on a particular pattern matches. So that is the use of grep. Okay, pattern matches, display the line. Very simple line. Okay, here I am going to create a certain things like um, here. Here I am going to create a file. The file name is here G file one. Any name you can put it, no problem. But for understanding for gedit practice, I am creating this file. Okay, so I put a name. This is G file one file. Okay, so here I'm writing welcome to Savantis. Welcome to Savantis. Okay, sorry. Okay, welcome to Savantis. Savantis is vendor for CTS, for example. Okay, in Pune, in Pune, Savantis in Karve Road. Okay, in a Karve Road. Okay, you can see anything. Okay, I put a 4 lines now. If anybody having an idea of fifth line, okay. So, so due to Corona, okay, work from home only. Okay, enter Control D. Something I created a file. I see what is the file content G file one. So this is the file content. Now clearly see. I am using a graph. Okay, I use a pattern name means a keyword. A keyword. Okay, I want to search in this file. Grep Savantis line. Okay. It is showing in a single line only. It is showing in a single line only. Why it is showing in a one single line? Already I told wherever the Savantis matches, that lines will display. But it is displaying one line only. Why it is not displaying? this line. Welcome to Savantis. Savantis is a vendor. Pune is a in Pune Savantis, that is only showing. Of course, first line and last line don't have Savantis, but three lines Savantis is there, but it is not displaying. It is displaying only one because Linux is a case sensitive. You can see case wise only. See, I am going to put a capital S. See, it is showing two lines, but it is not showing a this line. Why? Because capital S. Here, while I am searching, I put a capital S. Here, as while searching, I am putting a small s. So, see the cases problem. Next, grep hyphen I Savantis G file one. Okay, now it is showing a three lines. What is that meaning? Hyphen I means ignore the case sensitive. Hyphen I means ignore the case sensitive. Okay, next. Now I will keep the hyphen I for on rest of the our practicals. Okay, hyphen I cap Savantis G file one. Now it is showing only one line. Why? Because of the cap and keyword means in the line if the keyword is first of the line then only display. The first of the line is 70 is in one line, so that's why it is showing one line only. If you see out of three lines which contains a 70 is one line having a start of the line. Okay, so that is cap. Next. Next, it is showing only one line, but 70 is in a end of the line. So 70 means the keyword and dollar represents if the pattern matches and it should be end of the line. That line only will display. It won't display the other lines. It will only display if pattern is end of the line. Display the that line only. So that is a dollar. Nice. Now it is not at all showing a Savantis. What I done, I given option, extra option is hyphen V. So what happened, where what are the pattern matches, that is not displaying. It displaying other than other lines which don't have a keyword matches. If pattern not matches, display that line. Hyphen V means if pattern is not matches, display that line. Okay. Now it is showing a lines, three lines with the line numbers also. So 2, 3, 4 line number. So for example, I am trying to search for a particular line in a very big configuration file. So I don't know where it is located in generally. So what I will do? So I will use that line number to go to that line number and modification thing. So hyphen n means if pattern matches, display that line along with that line numbers also. Hyphen c. How many lines are there with our pattern matches? If pattern matches, count number of lines having this pattern or this keyword. Okay, so this is about your grep. You have to do it and understand. And while you are done, so like you do like a childish things. Okay, everybody will tell you do mature things, but you can do like a childish thing. Like kid once learn, the kid won't keep mouth shut. Okay, so he keep on speaking about it. Okay, keep on asking doubts to others, or keep on teaching to others. They started teaching. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is about your grep. Carefully read it one by one. Which one is a command? Which one is output? Also, okay. You can try any file. You can try anything with a file. Also, no problem. Okay, this is about your grep. Okay, so we have a little bit. Want to go for a time? No, not this one. This one only. I told. So I'm going to show you how to use VA editor, basic VA editor. I will tell you a basic VA editor and IO redirection also. Okay, what is this VA editor? I'm mixing up, not following a pattern things. Okay, so I'm mixing up VA editor. So there's a different type of text editors are there. Okay, so one of the editor is Nano editor. Another one is VA editor, and one more is there gedit if you are using GUI based Linux. Okay, so if you are using GUI Linux, then gedit will be there, and these two are supported commonly to everyone. Sometimes it won't work because of minimal effect, these things. So no problem, we can install it also. First of all, I will show you how to use the Nano editor. Okay, I created a file, right? So cat g file 1. So this is the file. Now I want to modify. You can't modify
Excuse
with
me,
the
sir.
cat command. Hmm?
So, is it recording?
One second, wait. Yeah, it is recording.
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay. Because gedit is like a flash. Okay, once it's completed, everyone will forget about what is that, how we put a command also. Okay, compulsory. So VI editor. One, I have a file, data is there. Using cat command, I can't edit it. I can add a line, but I cannot edit. Edit means changing things, right? I use a nano command. So nano g file 1. Okay, nano is not found. Guys, if it is not found, what to do? Go to root. Now I am in a root because I use both the things parallelly. Yum clean all. So again it will taking time. What I will do, so I'll stop the recording. I'll make